Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain type conversions examples. Say byte a equal to 10, integer b equal to a, system dot out dot println b. Here a is a byte type, b is a int type. Here a assigned to b, that means byte assigned to integer. This type conversion is called byte to integer. This type conversion is called byte to integer. This conversion is called widening conversion. About widening conversions and narrowing conversions, in previous video I explained. If you watch that video, you will get a more clarity. Okay. Now this byte to integer comes under 19 conversions. Say byte to integer, it comes under 19 conversions. The following 19 conversions are done by system implicitly. These conversions are called widening conversions. These 19 conversions automatically done by system. That is the reason this is byte to int. It is valid. Byte to int, it is valid. I'll execute this one in a program. I'll show in a program. Byte a equal to 10, int b equal to a, system dot out dot println b. If I compile and run, the output comes 10. See, file, save, compilation, java c demo.java, execution, java demo. See, we got output 10. Now just I'll write in reverse. It is integer, it is byte. Now a is a integer type, b is a byte type. Here a assigned to b, that means integer assigned to byte. This type conversion is called into to byte. This type conversion is called into to byte. This is comes under narrowing conversions, under 23 conversions. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error occurs. Say here 19 conversions done by system implicitly, but 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Here integer to byte, it is comes under 23 conversions. These conversions are called narrowing conversions. Okay. I'll show in a program. Here integer, here byte, here into to byte. This is narrowing conversion, comes under 23. These type of conversions must be done by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error. Now if I compile, it will not compile, will get error. See, file, save, compilation. See, incompatible types, error we got it. But this error we can solve. How to solve? See, in the brackets we ought to write byte. Like this if you write, like this if you write, it is called explicit type conversion. We can also call typecasting. This is now valid. I'll show in a program. Byte. File, save. I'll compile now again. Java C demo.java. See, successfully compiled. Previously we got error. Now I'll run Java demo 10. Like this, 19 conversions are done by system implicitly. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. 14 conversions are not possible. Boolean type cannot be converted to other types, and other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. 14 not possible. For getting more information, you visit my video, you visit my blog, Java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. This is my blog.